All right, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're gonna talk about Bitcoin. We're gonna talk about altcoin, and we're gonna take a look at most of these explosive altcoin over the next that could be potentially going explosive over the next a few weeks and so on, right? So if you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Join Sun Crypto public Telegram group, link in the description. Go ahead and check out the channel. You can basically click on any of these videos, right? And basically link of the public Telegram group and Discord in the description. All you have to do is just click on the Telegram link right here, or you can click on the Discord link right there and basically just join these join the public access and all that good stuff, right? So now let's dive into the analysis, right? So right here, that's CTXC. We don't need to talk about it. This sucker gonna rocket, but we're gonna start off with Bitcoin and all that good stuff, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is slightly down on the day, so not looking good starting the weekly, right? The weekly time frame. But as we said, if we get any dump, right, market is likely to respond positively to the dump, and they're gonna be bulls gonna be buying the dip all the way down to the mid 50k, which is just about like the 2-day 21 EMA. It has been one of our most bullish setup since like November right here. So I think like as long as we stay above the 21 EMA on a 2-day basis, even though MACD is crossing bearish, one of the reasons why we basically been cautious on this pump right here, and we said if we dump down, we're definitely gonna get a support right around like mid 50k. Okay, let's say 55 to 54 area, plus minus 1k, right? So if you are extremely bullish on BTC, you might just need to be cautious going into like the first week of the the new quarter. Okay, even though it is bullish, okay, I don't see anything bearish on Bitcoin, especially on the quarterly basis. If we move sideways the first week, it's not going to be a big deal, but I don't think like we're going to be moving sideways too long. All right, so let me take a look at the chat room. Hey, what's up, Robin? 4 a.m. Okay, thanks a lot for tuning in, man. You gotta sleep, man. Crypto crackhead. We got Max in the house, Paul in the house, Andrea in the house. Thanks a lot, Max Doomboy in the house, Jude Moonboy in the house, XRP 589, right? Still waiting for XRP 589. That's Jude XRP 589 right there. So guys, that's what we need to pay attention to on a 2-day basis. Let's take a look at the 6-hour time frame, right? So 6-hour time frame, as we said, what we said yesterday was like, even though we very bullish on BTC, we got something very concerning. Is like the 6-hour 21 is bearish. Price action below the 21 EMA, that's not good short term. Okay, so that's why I was like, if you are basically trading BTC, just be cautious in this range. Okay, if we dump right here, we're still gonna need the 100 EMA to basically act as a support. Just about like 56, okay, which is basically what we said on a 2-day basis, right? On the 2-day time frame, we said in this range 55 plus minus 1k, right there. That's the same level on the 6-hour time frame or 8-hour time frame, give or take, right here. So I did not like the decreasing volume, increasing prices after a big dump. That's always a a potential reversal pattern to the downside to retest at least the support area. So within the next 6 to let's say 6 to 18 hours, we should get a nice answer whether we're gonna get a support right here, or we're just gonna push to the upside, right? So keep that in mind. Okay, now let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. On the weekly basis, we failed to close above the resistance at 59. Okay, that's not good, at least in the short term, right? So that's not good, at least in the short term. We talked about it back in, we talked about it like last week on the 29th, right? We said we need to close above 59 on the current week right there last week, right? But right now we dipping. Okay, we dipping 1% on the weekly. That's not good. Okay, but let's see. Okay, this week we gotta close above 59. Even if we dip down to like 55, we gotta get the reversal candle back above 59. Okay, that's going to be a potential confirmation, and that could force, potentially our 2-day 21, not 2-day 21, but our MACD to close bullish. Okay, so we got a fresh 2-day candle. So let's see, all right, the next 48 hours, how we're gonna close this candle, right? That's going to be pretty interesting. I like the low sell volume right here, right? We're getting another low sell volume. So remember what we got right here back then. I think we did have a low sell volume on our way up. I don't know if you guys remember, but right here last week, right? Remember when we said we were going up right there, right? But I was like, okay, the volume was low. Right here, right here. Okay, right here. I think it was right here. Okay. So what we said was like we were going up with a low volume right here, right? For like 2 days, right? We've been pumping. So I was a little bit concerned, right? After I waited for like a 24 hours after we closed the next daily candle, we closed it with a lower volume. So I was like, that's it. So since like we closed with a lower volume than the buying pressure, it means like bulls are stronger and bears not looking great right here. So we basically just took it to the upside, right? Bulls basically managed to take it to the upside, right? So we're about to get a very explosive move right here also, right? On a daily basis. So very explosive. So expect high volatility, right? Hello, what's up? Quadruple 01. Tracy in the house. Hey, what's up, Raver? 581 or 589? 581 in the house. Thanks a lot, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at the 50-day cycle. So 50-day cycle, as long as we close green, I think we're gonna be okay, guys. So we got 5 more days, guys, to close the cycle. I think it is gonna be very exciting going into the third cycle of the year, right? The third 50-day cycle. Remember the first 50-day cycle right here. Actually, the first 50-day cycle right here, we were very bullish. So we took it from like 28 all the way up to 55, right? We got out, bang. Okay, the cycle is still moving sideways, right? And we took it from like 43 back to 58. Macro wise, guys, we've been killing it. Okay, BTC gonna be moving sideways, 5%, 10% up and down, but on the macro scale, we've been killing it. Okay, we nailed it from 28 all the way up to 60K. We nailed it, right? And at 60K, what we did mid-March, we said, let's just suck it up, wait for the quarterly time frame to start. Sucker gonna be moving sideways, and we basically gonna take a look at it again, right? So, but it is still bullish. So if we close the quarterly cycle, not the quarterly, but the 50-day cycle, green, that could be very bullish going into the summer, right? All the way down to like first week of June, right? So bulls are in control on the macro scale, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum before I talk about your alt. In today's content, I'm just going to talk about BTC, Ethereum, and I'm going to take a look at your requests, right? We got a lot of coins basically pumping. EOS, Tron, you guys know our targets. We talk about all these suckers, man. Like Tron, I showed you guys Tron when Tron was like 100 sats. Right now we're above like 200 sats, so it's already 100% up versus BTC and nearly 4x in dollar, right? So Not you, not Ethereum Classic. So let's take a look at Ether. Take a look at it on Poloniex. So I'm loving the Ether macro view. 3 weeks still looking so juicy, man. Take a look at the 3 weeks time frame, man. This guy, man, it looks the 3 weeks time frame structure we got was like the breakout we got at 450. Remember, guys, Ether, when we started being bullish, right, like 350, 410, right, that's when we said let's just suck it up. And if you notice well, on the 3 weeks time frame, as soon as we close above resistance right there, just about my resistance level back then was like 410, 413, bang, okay, bang, okay, sucker basically pump all the way up to like 1800 resistance right there. Based on 3 weeks resistance, 1800, right, is the resistance. 1880, right, give or take down to like a 1750, right. If we close the 3 weeks cycle right above this range, even if we just want to do don't want to do like too much work and let the market do let the market do the work, right, we could look for a 120 extension. That's it, man. That's another easy way of looking at it right there. Okay, easy way of looking at it. That's nearly like 5,000. Okay, but we're not looking for 5,000. Okay, we're just gonna be looking for like 25, 2350 to 25. After, we're going to look for a correction, and we're going to be looking for the next leg up to like a 4,000. Okay, Ether next macro target 4K, right, but mid-range target 25, 23 to 25. You guys already know that, right? Not financial advice, right? Do your own research, right? This is Send Crypto targets, how I spend my money, right? Not how you're supposed to spend your money. That's how I'm supposed to get, how I'm supposed to trade the market, okay? Not you how you're supposed to buy and sell, right? Okay. So Ether looks pretty healthy. I don't have anything to say, pretty bullish, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at the chat room. If you guys see a sucker, let's go ahead and take a look at a SIA, SIA, whatever. SC, BTC. SC, BTC, we killing it. Okay, oh man, look at this guy, man. Look at this guy right here. This guy right here, guys. We started accumulating right there again, okay? Our first accumulation was right here. We reaccumulated just about like 24, 25. It dipped all the way down to 10. We said, it is still a good buy, right? We're going to be going all the way up, guys, to nearly, 60, 70 side. I think SIA gonna blast off. The good news is like we already broke June 2019, right? June 2020, excuse me, high. We just need to break above now March highs, right there. And we're going to be looking for like October 28th, October 2018, right? Right there. Okay, so I think like sucker could be pumping all the way up to 100 sats, and we do have we got all those targets anyway, from like 10 sats, guys, all the way up, right? So see, it looks pretty juicy. Let's take a look at BLZ. So BLZ still a good hold. As you can see, I said it multiple times, guys. Best way to trade the market on the macro scale is using volume. That's one of the best. It's not the best, but one of the best. Okay, if you don't want to do too much work, just look at the volume while price is decreasing, right, on the higher time frame. Look at this, guys, man, right here. Beautiful. Okay, we nailed it. Okay, we said buy this sucker, right, 150 to 200 sats right there, right, and take it to the moon. It's gonna moon. Okay, we just hit resistance on the 3 weeks time frame, right here. closing basis. So if we can close above like 1150, which was one of my target, right, we can basically look for higher prices. Hey, you gotta give me a complete ticker symbol, okay? Like key, I don't know which key you're talking about, the key or like key, because they got too many keys, right? I think they got the key, they got self key, whatever, man. Let's take a look at key ether. Self key. Self key looks good, right? It looks good. So we finally got a break above the 3 weeks time frame. So it is time for a moonshot. So it is time, especially after the quarterly close. Most of these suckers closing above the 3 weeks 21 EMA, they tend to go much high. Okay, nice accumulation right here. I think Encash was doing the same thing, is doing the same thing, pretty much similar to Encash, right, with this sucker wick right here. Let's take a look at Encash. Encash BTC. So guys, some of you guys are saying I'm talking too fast, so that's why I put this ticker symbol on the background. So if you know I'm talking about an asset and you don't know what it is, just read the background right here. I can make it lighter if you guys are comfortable. If not, I can just leave it as it is, right? So Encash, I think we talked about Encash right here a couple of weeks ago when sucker was like 100, something like that, before the explosive move right here. All right, so right now it's almost like 30% up. So Encash is getting the job done. You know, what crypto broker to use? Oh man, look at my newbie. Hey, what's up, Figeland? Okay, Figeland Colon. Okay, you just ask in the chat room and people are going to answer your question, all right, regarding like which exchange you want to use, KuCoin, Binance, Coinbase, Gemini, Kraken, Bittrex. Man, you just have to you know, Google them or YouTube them and do all that good stuff, right? So now XDZ is pumping too. Let's take a look at XDZ, guys. XDZ is gonna take us to the moon, guys. I'm telling you, like Tron. For some reason, man, I'm not even touching. Like, oh, look at it, we're above like 9,000 now. So XDZ, we're still in the blue box right here. We just need to break out, retest the 100 EMA on a 2-day basis. Right there, just about 11,000, 14,000. Looks pretty good, man. That's the next Tron right there. Telling you, once we get above right here, above the histogram right there, beautiful sell volume, right, while price is decreasing, right? You can see right here we started the accumulation right there, right there was just a fake out, low volume. Okay, price increased with high buying pressure. You can see like the V shape, bang, guys. Right, so everything looks so normal for VeChain. I mean for Tezos, okay, just like VeChain too, right? We're gonna talk about VET next, right? Everything looks pretty normal. I don't see anything crazy. It's just the timing, okay? It's just the timing, right? So, but the move was supposed to, you know, be continuing right there. But you know what happened? Mid-February, everything got dumped. So sucker basically needed to restart all over again, give us another second chance to double up on our position by, you know, by taking other position, making some profit, added to VeChain. I mean to what's going on with me with VeChain today, right? We need to take a look at VeChain, right? And add it to Tezos, right? But it looks pretty beautiful. Okay, now let's go ahead and talk about VeChain. So I won't be mentioning VeChain. So VeChain, guys, beautiful support right here, guys. Beautiful support, right? You can see, like, I don't know, like I think we already got a double crossover right here on our MACD. So I'm not sure if like we're gonna get another double crossover. That could give us a potential delay in the breakout. But you know, let's see. MACD, you know, could retest the signal line right here. Could just retest it, and we're gonna go ballistic, right? So that's possible. It means we could basically dip down to the 21 EMA if that's the case, right? But that's just short term. I wouldn't be panicking if we dump down to like 130, 140, right? So and we're just gonna suck it up, right? Hey, what's up, Paul? Thanks a lot for the tip, man. Audio. Hey guys, so if you want me to basically, take a look at your alt rapidly, if you send a super chat, I will definitely be seeing it, and I won't have to basically be scrolling up, right? Audio BTC. Look at this guy, look at this guy, look at this guy, look at this guy, look at this guy. I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it, even though it is dumping, right? Look at the volume right here. It is telling us we're gonna get a second chance, right? So now the 2-day 21 EMA is not anywhere close to for a potential support. Let's take a look at the daily. Yep, we're about to get to the daily. It looks like we broke the 8-hour right here. So the 8-hour is the first support right there. Let's double check. Bang. You see, guys? You see, guys? You can tell this stuff, right, live without even like having to know what's going on. Never look at the asset, right? So right here, bang, right here. Okay, right there. Okay, so we could definitely be dropping down to the daily 21 right there. 45.07 support. Okay, that's the next support. So give it time, right? It could move sideways for the next like 2 to 3 weeks, really, guys. So, and when I mean sideways, I mean like not breaking the top right here. So it could, hopefully it's not going to move more than 3 weeks. We already moved like 10 days, so we could move another at least 10 days in this range, right? Remember the February correction, right, lasted almost like for 50 days. Okay, and this guy did not correct back in February. You see, it did not correct. So it could correct while, my other sucker is going to be pumping like SXP, BZRX, TRB, Wing, you name it, RND, Request, Syscoin, and all of them good stuff, right? They could be getting the job done, and audio could be moving sideways, right? So basically your answer, 4,500, right? Support. Will Brown, XRP. Will Brown, I just answered your question regarding Tezos. VChain, we talked about VChain. CHZ, let's go ahead and take a look at CHZ, BTC, Chiliz. So as you can see, pretty much similar to Chiliz, right? As you can see, sucker, both of them got the same structure. They both pump and dumping down to the 21 EMA. So Chiliz, expect a potential pump very, very soon, right? As we are looking for this move back up. Right, so resistance right there, temporary, okay, just about like 11,000. But it is, I don't think it is going to be the reversal pattern, right? It could be just a sideways correction retest right here before pumping to the upside. So sucker could be moving also sideways for the next few days, right? So but just it is still a hold, right, till we get a confirmation. Let's see. What's up, Gizmo? Thanks a lot for tuning in. All right. Key, I think I answered most of your question, guys. So you're welcome, Paul. BTT. BTC. Let's take a look at it versus BTC. Oh, look at this sucker, man. Look at this sucker. I don't know why I'm not paying attention to BTT right now. But right there, that's like May 2019. So time to take profits. We already hit May 2019. Right? Remember, last few years, right? Last few months, I would say June 2019 was resistance right there, but sucker got the job done and just do it like in one go. Bang, bang, bang. So time to take profits. Can it go high? Yes. Right, it can go much high, but I don't know how high it can go. We got another, you know, resistance right there. Okay, keep an eye for a potential retest of. We got 2, 4, 6. Oh, that's 30 sats. This guy is very expensive. It's 20 sats right now, so we could go up to like a 30 sats, right? This sucker is not cheap anymore, man. Hey, what's up, Mitch? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Hey, what's up, Kendras? Thanks a lot for tuning in. ICX. Let's go ahead and take a look at ICX. So ICX consolidating right now. So we should be getting the next leg up very soon from ICX. We did got the double top, double bottom, right? And I like it. Low sell volume right here, right? We could dip all the way down to the 4 hour, not 4 hour, but daily 21, which is just about like 4,000 sats. Remember, our target was like, you know, 5,000 to 6,000, so we still can go much higher, okay? But this range right here, any dips, right? If we dip down back here, that's going to be a second chance right here, this box. Okay, so something to keep in mind, right? So so this box is going to be our defensive zone, 3,000 all the way up to like 3,500, right? But we're gonna suck it up. If we get the bounce from the 4,000, we're not gonna worry about like buying again at 3,000. We're just gonna suck it up all the way up to 7,000, nearly 7,000, right here. Okay, right here. Or sucker could give us a double move also right here. That's possible, okay, depending on how market going to be reacting, okay? But either way you look at it, it is calling for higher prices, right? That's the most important. That's the most important. Let's see. Yeah, I think I just answered your question. Just pay attention to ICX BTC. ICX USD will take care of itself, right? So if you pay clear attention to ICX you know, BTC, you know, you're gonna basically definitely gonna be benefiting from the explosiveness, right? Instead of basically paying attention to the USD, right? You know, I'm very bullish on it, especially after you know, we've been above the weekly 21. Take a look at the weekly 21 and see how long we've been above it, right? For nearly, guys, since like February, we've been consolidating above the weekly 21, and we finally broke resistance right here. Right, we finally broke resistance right there. Okay, so I think it is still a good hold. But you know, if you've been following some crypto when ICX was 1,400, 1,500, you would be like 3x your money. In BTC, you would have tripled your BTC, and you would be like tripling your dollar, 6x your dollar, right? In like less than, you know, 6 months, right? Yeah, Suncoin USD is not available yet. It's not available yet. Yeah. So let's go back to BTC. Now let's go ahead and take a look at DOT. So DOT weekly basis already, we got a beautiful breakout right here and a beautiful support from the 3-day 21. I said it multiple times, guys. Your best friend in this market, right? It is going to be 3-day 21 and 2-day 21. Those two are going to be your best friends, okay? So beautiful support right here. We already nailed it in our premium, looking for a breakout. So we already got the setup and everything, right? Just like the setup we got right here from the $17 support, we nailed it from 17 all the way up to $40, right? So, and we nailed this one also, the bounce from the $7 right here. We also nailed it. Bang, bounce right back up. Let's see. XLM. Let's go ahead and take a look at XLM because XLM could be waking up very soon, right? And RSR. So XLM, RSR next. So XLM, where's my XLM moonshot? XLM moon boy is gonna be pumping. I was supposed to talk about XLM the first 5 minutes. I completely forgot, guys. I completely forgot. But XLM is a moonshot, guys. So what we're seeing right now from XLM is no difference to what we talk about, right? Regarding a DOT 3-day 21 going to be our best friend right here, but the dip right here, retest by the dip right here. We're gonna need to break above like 54, 55, right, guys? Come on. If we can close above 54, 55 this week, right? I know bulls gotta be able to do it, okay? If we can close above 54, 55, and at the same time, at least get, oh man, look at this guy, man. It's about to be explosive. Take a look at it right here, guys. Amazing. Take a look at it. Bang, guys. Bang, bang, bang. We're about to cross bullish. Okay? About to cross bullish, guys. Oh man, guys, not financial advice, right? But this sucker, right here, if we cross bullish, guys, let me show you my new batch, okay? The batch I had for all the alt, right, that broke the 2-day 21 EMA, right? So I don't know why. Oh man, I delisted him. Tron was part of it. Okay, Tron, QDom. Oh man, I basically deleted all of them, but Tron right here, okay, broke, double bottom, right? Not double bottom, but double crossover on 2-day 21. Bang. Okay, KNC, broke double crossover 2-day 21. Bang. Okay, I think we got QDom also. QDom USD, double crossover right here. Bang. Okay, XRP is not doing it yet. Okay, let's see. Oh, XRP got the double crossover, and that's why I got it on this list, right? So XRP double crossover right here. Bang. So that's why I basically updated my premium, and I said, guys, XRP is time to start buckling up, right? So pay attention to these suckers, right? Double crossover, right here. Remember, guys, right there. People have been panicking, okay, from like mid-February. They've been panicking right here. Separation, bang. Okay, Tron, I don't have to show you again. Bang. Okay, so XLM right here. Man, I'm very excited about XLM, guys. I'm very excited. XLM, we're gonna get it from the bottom. Look at it, guys. It's pumping, man. It's pumping. It's pumping, man. It's like I'm talking about XLM and somebody's buying it, man. Don't do that. Don't do that, Moon Boy. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay? Don't do that. All right. So XLM, very crazy, guys. Sucker could be going to the moon, man. Let's see. And you guys know I got an XLM target for like $3. Okay. So and right now we just about like 40 cents, right? So But what I mean $3, okay? I would say 3,000 sats, okay? Let's say 3,000, because I'm expecting BTC to hit 100K, so 3,000 sats will give us $3, right? That's how I'm calculating it. So we move sideways and dump nearly as low as 42% correction and 52 days of sideways correction, guys. So if we move 50 days, okay, of, you know, moving sideways for 50 days, let's say you've been holding XLM and you're all in, the last 50 days, you're basically just watching, you know, Filecoin pump, okay, watching, you know, RLC pump, Atom, AV, and all them good stuff, right? And sucker is not pumping, so it is about to be time for your turn, right? So keep that in mind, right? So yeah, XLM looks pretty juicy, man. I wish we did have a XLM on Binance coin futures, right? Because XLM is not available on. And guys, I'm gonna give you guys one secret, okay? The next coin, okay, that is going to get added on the Binance coin futures, right? Not the Binance futures, right? But the coin futures, not the USDT futures, right? That coin, right, make sure to huddle it at least for 60 to 90 days, right? Because it's gonna go explosive, right? So it is just a little secret, right, from you, you know, from me, right? So you guys can pay attention to it, right? Not financial advice, but it is some little details sometimes you just have to pay attention to, right? So I don't know which one going to be added to the Binance coin futures. I'm speculating it could be Tezos, right? XLM, right? Tezos or XLM, those two. I'm speculating, right? They could be added to the or even you know, I don't think the Neo going to get added, but let's see. All right, beautiful setup, man. Beautiful. All right, on a 3-day basis and 2-day basis, right? Take a look at this sucker. Right. So we you know, we need to break above 46, and we're gonna be going to the moon. No more resistance up to 51. That 51 going to be the hard resistance on the 3-day basis, and a potential soft resistance on the 2-day basis, right? But the hard resistance going to be on the 2-day basis going to be like 55, 56. So we could speculate about, you know, about a potential retest right here, right there, right there. Yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at File, because some of you guys I already told you File going to be reversing, right? So hopefully some of you guys made some profit off of that call. So we can still get this move back up right here. We can still get this move, or okay, we can get the complete double bottom right here. If we get the complete double bottom, that's going to be very bullish, because we could get this move and that move, right? Yeah, but I like the decreasing sell volume. It means we could get the next leg up to you know, to 100 sats, right? So either way you look at it, if it dips down to the 8-hour 21, that's going to be a good buy, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at RLC. So RLC, USDT, RSR, not RLC, RSR. So if you haven't watched my RSR, you know, price target to $1, go ahead and check it out right here. If you go on my channel, you can scroll down and you cannot miss it. Okay, right here. All right, go watch it. Okay, this sucker. Yeah, take a look at this sucker, guys. That's exactly what I showed you guys. All right, that's that time sucker was like 3,300, right? Reserve, right? That's versus ETH, right? Versus BTC, sucker was like, I'm showing versus Ether, yeah, because it was bullish versus Ether, right? We're gonna check it versus Ether because it is still bullish versus Ether. Yep, we got the triple bottom right here, quadruple bottom, just like CRV. Yep, it was like just about 150 sats, right? We said any dips all the way down here going to be a buy, and we're gonna be looking for 250. Right now, we're just about like 150, right? 150. Okay, so if you take a look at it, we have versus BTC all the way up there, right? I don't know why I didn't cover the dollar. Should have covered it. But yeah, I should have covered it, right? Yeah. So RSR, if we go back, you know, we're gonna take a look at versus the dollar right now. We do have a nice potential either triangular formation right here, right there, just like Litecoin. It is moving like Litecoin right now. So, right. So the baseline, we just don't know. Sucker could even drop all the way down here. Okay, but let's just say we're gonna be reversing, and we're just gonna do this. That way, we're not gonna be concerned, right, about the support range right here. Okay, we got support right here. If we break above 9 cents, guys, we're not gonna get any more resistance, right? So yeah, and that's when we talk about. So it moves like a V-chain, right? So it kind of have a V-chain type of a structure. All right, let's BTC. Yeah, so RSR, BTC, excuse me, right? So, you know, retest of the support line going to be beautiful. So, nice range to be looking for before the next leg up. Okay, very accumulative, right? Hey, you're welcome, Robert. It's almost 47 minutes, right, guys? So let's see. I got one more alt I'm going to talk about, guys. I don't think I talked about that alt before, right? And it is going to be one of the best alt in Q2, guys. We're going to talk about it at the end of the live stream, right? So hit the likes, okay? Hit the likes. Let's go ahead and take a look at BTS, BitShare. BitShare. I'm loving it, man. I like the chart. I like the chart, man. I like it. We're gonna be going ballistic, man. 2, 4, 6. That's 20 sats or 200 sats. Yep, that's 200 sats. We got like, oh man, look at, we got resistance right here. Just about like 250 to 300 sats. Looks pretty good, man. Looks pretty good right there. Just let it ride, man. Don't do nothing. Let it ride. Cover IO. We covered cover. I don't have to talk about it much. You in our premium, you know exactly what we're looking for. This guy, it is gonna be very explosive, right? Very explosive in Q2. Okay. Very big move is coming up. Okay. So cover right here. Right. So once we break out, once we get the breakout from this range, that's it, guys. It is gonna move up. But I'm gonna show you the bearish setup also, right? This move right here, if we don't hurry up and break out, we can still do this and do this. So if we dump, hurry up and buy the dip right here. Not financial advice, right? If you see it right here, back like down to like 6,000, 7,000, that's going to be a big old flat correction, which is a big continuation pattern, right? Right here, right there, right there, right there, bang, to the upside, right? So just be cautious. I wouldn't be leveraging it like, you know, doing like high leverage on it, right? Just in case market decides to respect the flat correction, right? Just like what we got right here, right? You see what we got right here? We could make a big one right here. Okay, but it means the bigger the correction, the bigger the next move, right? So LTC, we already talked about LTC, man. LTC USDT. Are you making fun of me about my LTC long? my 40-50 days LTC long, right? So yeah, LTC. I wish Wells gonna you know, buy some LTC, right? But I've been accumulating in this range, right? I've just been going in and out, sell, you know, sell the top, buy back the dip, sell the top, buy back, just to increase my position. That's what I'm saying. When you do like the Binance coin futures, right, you can hold the asset just like you're doing. Like most of you guys either got wrecked before from Bybit, so you know how Bybit works, right? So like I got wrecked before on Bybit, right? So it's the same thing, right? When you're using like the coin futures, right, that's the same thing as using Bybit. It means like holding basically XRP. Oh man, what's wrong with me? You're holding Litecoin. You see what I'm saying? So you're trading Litecoin. You're not trading USDT. So if anything goes wrong with USDT, it's not going to affect you, right? Yes, it's going to affect your price, right? I mean, it's going to affect like Litecoin price, but it's not going to affect Litecoin as an asset like you're holding. Do you see what I'm saying? Because like if you just use like the Binance USDT futures, right, and something happened to that sucker, what's the name of it again, USDT, right, you might, you know, lose all your USDT, right? But if you're trading Litecoin and market pump on your favor, you're gonna make more Litecoin. If market dumps on your favor, you're gonna make more Litecoin. But if market goes against you, you're just gonna lose Litecoin. That's it. Your stop loss get hit. That's it, right? That's why I'm more active on the Binance coin futures like Tron, Litecoin, DOT, XLM, not XLM, Ethereum Classic, BTC, BNB, Filecoin, right? EGLD, right? Remember EGLD and Filecoin? We nailed both of them over 10x, right? So, and they both on the, you know, coin futures. XRP is pumping, so we're gonna have to take a look at XRP, guys, before we talk about our new gem, right? So XRP 7% up, guys. Oh man, guys, I'm excited today. I'm excited. Look at XRP looking to close above resistance. Right here, guys, right here, right? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. It is a beautiful day, man. XRP closing on a 3-day basis above 63. Guys, you know, last time we closed above 63 on a 3-day basis, that's like over, let's see, over that was like June 2018, guys. 2.5 years. That's the last time we closed above this line, this yellow line right here. 2.5 years, guys. 2.5 years. Now we're getting a nice close. Let's take a look at it on the 10 days. Look at it. Even on the 10 days, right? Last time we closed above this line, right? Was like May 2018. Okay? And you gotta remember what happened like right there, okay? May 1st, 2018. If you don't know what happened back then, you might not be, you might not know what's, you might not know a lot like regarding this price action right here. Okay, every single alt got dumped right there. Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Neo, you name it, all of them right there, first week of May. So that price level is at 93 cents. I remember exactly because I was a moon boy. I was going for this big red, not big red, but big green candle also. And I bought like, I went all in on XRP at 90 cents. So I remember well, right? This sucker wrecked me, right? Pretty much, right? But that's how it goes, right? So I was very excited. I remember Neo being like $95, XRP 95 cents, and all that good stuff, right? And I was like, we're going back to the moon, right? But yeah, man, sucker is pretty Julish right here. I'm loving it. Yeah, man. But right here, guys, what we really need to pay attention to, right? It is going to be our 50-day cycle. So go ahead and watch my video, right, regarding XRP going crazy in Q2. I will update the XRP 50-day cycle once we close the cycle on the 10th, right? I might even update it before then, right? So take a look at it right here. So we're closing above the 50-day cycle. On the 50 days, guys, we don't have any other resistance, zero resistance, right? I'm gonna call that video like a zero resistance, right? All the way up to the moon, right? All the way up to the moon. Yeah. We're going to the moon, guys. We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon, guys. We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon, guys. Let's get the spaceship, guys. We're going to the moon, right? We're going to the moon. Going to the moon, guys. We're going to the moon. That's an ugly rocket, but you get it. That's an XRP 589 rocket, right? So it's an ugly one, but you get the concept. Oh, DGTX. Oh my gosh, man. You should not be talking about it, man. That's a premium target. Let's take a look at DGTX, man. Azaz, don't do that, man. Don't do that, Azaz. You're gonna get me fired up, and I don't want to get fired up right now. I don't want to get fired. Look at this guy, man. I'm giving you one of the best signal in the crypto space, man. Like, that's one of our, one of our top pick. Top pick, guys. DGTX. Oh man, look at it, guys. When did I update it? Not too long ago, right? When it was 20 sats, right? 20 sats right there. 23 sats, right? If we got some crazy target like for this guy, man, like 150, guys. 150, like from 20 to 150 to from 150 to 250, from 250 to 350, guys. That's just crazy, man. You see, Sun Crypto is giving you like 20x target, 20x target, right? 2,000% gain, right? That's what I'm telling you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, right, I'm gonna show you what you need to do, right? Go right here, right? Go right here, and make sure you click on the, I can click on the subscribe, right? Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, right? It only allows me to edit. And make sure to click on the notification. I didn't even like my own video yet, right? I need to like that sucker, right? And you're gonna go to the moon, right? So we should be at, guys, we should get to like 5,000, right, guys, very soon, guys. And after that, we're gonna get the exponential growth, right? So yeah, Digitex, I'm not gonna go through details, right? Go ahead and watch our premium targets, premium explanation, and all that good stuff, right? Let me see. So already 1 hour. So Bolt, look at Bolt, guys. That's it, man. Like, my premium is killing it, guys. So join the premium, guys. If you want these like macro targets, right? These 100%, 200, 400% move, you gotta join the premium, man. The public updates, you know, are good, right? You can get general view, but if you want to buy at the very bottom, like what we did with DGTX, right? Dragon Chain, ADB, right? These type of moves, right? These type of 500% move, right? 600% move, right? You got to join the premium to get these 600% gains, guys. So, you know, I just updated this, you know, this video actually, right, yesterday also, right? The ADB, when I gave it to my people, right, the premium, sucker market cap was so low, like 1 million. That's right there. Okay, just about 2 million market cap, guys. Less than 2 million market cap. Now we at 13 million, guys. 13 million, guys. That's 7x, guys. 7x. Okay, 7x. You get that with Sun Crypto. That's what you get with Sun Crypto, guys. No hype. We go by the chart. This guy also, guys. So if you miss VRA, right, this 7x move, it is still a hold, right, from 2 sats to like 70 sats, 35x, and you missed the, oh, look at credit, but blast off right here, right? You know, Bolt is right there, ready to blast off also. But Bolt we got in already, like very cheap right here too. Not very cheap, it was already up a lot when we got in, but I was pretty confident. It was like 100 and just about like 100% up from the bottom. So, but it wasn't a lot. 100% it was not a lot, but EWT is like something to keep an eye on. It's gonna blast off all the way up to 110,000. Right now we just about 27,000, right? Yeah, that's the 4x. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the next gem, right? I think it exploded today, right? It's called NMR. NMR BTC, guys. NMR was supposed to talk about it a long time ago, right? But we needed wing to a breakout first, right? So NMR, give it time, right? It already broken out like crazy right here. So give it time to dip down. So any dips right now for NMR, it is going to be a buy. Okay, not financial advice, of course, right? So low sell volume throughout the bottom. Do you guys remember the setup we got back in late December from CRV? How we killed CRV? That's CRV 2.0 right there. Okay. Yeah, I was really was supposed to talk about it right here. Been too busy. Right around like 7,000, 8,000, but still pretty cheap, right? Right now it's just about the same price as Wing, so it's just about like, you know, Wing is I think like 113,000, right? This guy is like 110,000, so both of them same price, but this guy is gonna be very explosive going into Q2, right? So if we can consolidate right here over the next like 48 hours with a low sell volume, that's going to be a confirmation of continuation. Okay, that's going to be, because you can see like that's the first breakout above resistance, right? the first break above it. Okay, I started monitoring it right here, right there. Okay, just been too busy, guys. I'm sorry, guys, just been too busy, right? But we could have got in right here though. Oh, it's okay. It's only 40% pump, man. That's not crazy. It's not 40% pump, right? So keep an eye on NMR. That's going to be our alt pick of the day, going into the next few weeks, just like Wing, right? Hopefully you guys enjoy the content. If you enjoy the content, guys, the only thing you have to do, hit the likes, subscribe, right? And hit the notification, right? Join my public Telegram group, link in the description. Oh, you're just watching crypto or crypto, whatever, crypto or us, right? Whatever, crypto are you, whatever. He's recommending people to buy Tether, Engine, and what else, and Harmony. So I'm saying, guys, we buying at the bottom, and people, YouTubers, like, make you buy at the top. That's the difference, right? So other YouTubers gonna make you buy the top. Send Crypto is making you buy this type of setup, like no one's talk about, like no one is talking about NMR. I haven't seen anybody. Like, we can go ahead and Google it, right? YouTube it, whatever you want. NMR coin. All right, let me see. So if anyone talks about it, right? Last time somebody talked about NMR was like a month ago. Okay, month ago. No one is talking about it, right? Even if we filter it, somebody talk, get whatever NMR. Oh, somebody talk about it right here. Crypto grenade, right? Yeah, somebody talk about it right here too. But I'm talking about like the big YouTubers, right? People who talk about it right now are like a small channels, right? Like 15 views, right? Like that. Okay, small channels are talking about it. But the big, when this sucker pump like a look at right here, Queen of Crypto is talking about it, right? Look at Queen of Crypto. All right, let's give it a shout out, man. Queen of Crypto. Yeah, Queen of Crypto talk about it. Man, I want to see the chart, guys. I'm looking for the chart. Okay, let's go back, guys. Let's go back. You guys watching too much. Let's see. Okay, so you get the concept, right? When the big YouTubers start to talk about it, right? This sucker gonna pump like 10x, right? So thanks a lot, Tracy. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Yeah. Yeah, so keep an eye on NMR, guys. That's one of the I like the buy volume right here. As you can see, price action been moving for nearly, guys, 90 days, guys, from like January 1st, right, till basically April 1st, right, sideways. And what happened, guys? Remember what happened for most of these alt? Parabolic moves, right? Parabolic move. But this guy gotta take his turn, right? And if we can get it all the way up to right here, we could get the 5x, like all the way up to like a 500,000 sats, right? It's not impossible. We just done it with Filecoin, right? We did a nice 58,000 sats all the way up to like 400,000 sats, guys. That was my ultimate target. I wasn't looking for like a you know, small targets. I was looking for, you know, a big 5x target, the home run, right? So this guy, I think we can get the home run after 90 days of sideways correction, right? So look at what we did right here. I just showed you, right? So if I tell you we can do 500x, 500% we can, because we just, you know, pump this guy like right here from 2 sats, right? That's 40x, 45, nearly 50x, right? VRA. So if we can 50x, we definitely can 5x, right? I'm loving my dragon chain, guys. If you're holding dragon chain, guys, we're gonna celebrate very soon all the way up here. Let's see. XTZ is breaking resistance. Let's see, guys. It's supposed to be. Guys, make sure to share Sun Crypto channel, guys, so we can grow together, right? I'm giving you one of the best analysis, right? Doesn't cost you anything. I got some other gems in here, but don't have time to talk about them yet. Oh, guys, you guys remember Green? This guy right here? I'm still watching it. Not comfortable yet. We'll wait for a second, right? But I got the setup and everything. We just have to wait for a minute, right? Green, the YouTubers pumped this sucker so bad, but it is making a banana shape, guys. About to blast up, but we will see, guys. We will see. Give it time. Give it time. Oh, man. How XTZ is pumping. I don't see anything green starting with the X, man. Come on, what are you talking about, man? Oh, yeah, XTZ. Oh, it's green right here. Yeah, XTZ Ether also looking pretty juicy right here. Yeah, soon I'm gonna, you know, increase XTZ holding, especially versus Ether. Especially once we break this 0.003, it's gonna go ballistic. Could basically look to increase your Ether holding at least even 5x it, right? If XTZ goes back to like 0.01 Ether, right? You're gonna 5-6x your Ether. Yeah, I'm liking the 1 inch setup, guys. Most of you guys supposed to recognize the pattern right here. I showed you multiple times, right? So that's what we're gonna be. We could look for this. So pay attention. If you're holding 1 inch, pay attention to it for a breakout to like a $6, right? That's just another giveaway also, right? Yeah, Zcash, we already nailed our target from right here. We did have the flat correction right here, but sucker decided to dump. It was still a hold, right? And we ended up still getting our target. So sometimes you just have to be careful with the flat correction, right? Sometimes it can dump, right? Retest like 0.76 or 50%, depending on the who's trading it. If like bears are trading this trade, they might not recognize the bullish pattern, and they're going to try to dump it right here and get wrecked. If bulls are trading it, it's not going to break the support right here. Right, but the main thing is like we took it to the upside up to 180, entry right here 137 to 140. That was a short-term trade, you know, right there. 30% break, 30% move, right? We did have a hard time right here, you know, 10% drop, but sometimes we have to suck it up. It was, you know, 1 to 3, it dropped 10%, but pump later on. You know, if you add it to your position, knowing like this pattern 9 out of 10 is going to work out, you add to your position, you're going to get the 50% breakout. Bang, guys. That's what you get with Sun Crypto. Right here. So let's try to get to that box before midweek. Oh man, come on XTZ, dump man, dump. Man, I want XTZ to dump so I can buy more. Oh, XRP is pumping, man, 78 cents. Oh man, We gotta go for another live stream, man. If XRP breaks 80 cents tonight, we're gonna go for another live stream. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned, right? It seems like we're gonna get a crazy market tonight, man. Yeah, man. I think I'm just gonna call it a night. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it a night. If XRP breaks 80 cents tonight, make sure to put your alarms on, right? So we're gonna go to the moon, right? XRP is a buy all the way up to $1, man, because we still can go to like a $13. So all right, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in, man.